Hey guys, welcome back. So it is the middle of February and we're itching for spring to start, and we're not the only ones. We're heading out to Costco and they've got all of their garden and outdoor stuff already starting to be laid out. They've got some great deals for things. I thought I'd take you along, show you what they've got and some of the things we're interested in buying. So let's get going. With all the pictures and stuff we've been hanging on the wall, these 3M Claw drywall picture hangers actually caught my attention. It's an 8-pack variety for $9.99. We're going to start our patio and outdoor entertaining with a Yardsie Grand gazebo with an aluminum roof. It's a 12 by 14 foot gazebo. Everything's included with it, but you are going to have to assemble it yourself, and they want $1,899.99 for it. Next, we found this patio heater by FireSense. It's a 45,000 BTU propane heater. They want about $119.99 for it. It is $30 off. We do have one of these already. We picked it up from my parents' house. I'll leave a link for that video above. Next up is a Leisure Line Adirondacks chair. They want $140 for it. It's made from recycled plastic. They have gray out here, but they have a variety of other colors at Costco.com. And for a couple outdoor storage ideas, we have the Suncast 4 by 6 foot vertical shed. It has 106 square feet of storage space and they want $400 for it, as well as this Suncast 160 gallon extra large deck box. Now there's no price listed for this and I couldn't find it online. Now I have a whole variety of different outdoor lighting ideas, but what really caught my eye was the propane fire pit for $399.99, $100 off its regular price, and these slate colored deck tiles for patios to put right over the top of your deck or right over the top of your concrete slab. They're asking $19.99 for a 10-pack of these, and each one of the tiles is 12 inches by 12 inches. And then for entertaining, they have the Ketter Bevy Bar Cooler, which is pretty cool because the cooler itself at the base holds about 75 cans, and then the top lifts up and allows you to use it as a tabletop or a bar top. They're asking $100 for this. And if you're looking at taking a break from taking care of some houseplants and want something that looks nice, they do have this CG Hunter Faux 3-stem orchid for about $35. And now we're moving on to our gardening and yard work, and we're starting off with these Costco brand leaf and lawn bags. They want $14.89 for 30 bags. To go along with those leaf bags, they have the Leaf Easy Leaf and Lawn Chute. It's a 2-pack and helps load your leaves directly into the bag. Next up, this one took me a little bit by surprise. It's going to be a coconut core ground covering. These blocks expand to about 6 times their size and cover about 40 feet of space. And this 2-pack is selling for $18.99. Now they're offering a couple different types of lawn treatments. They've got the Scott's Turf Builder Weed and Feed that covers about 14,000 square feet for $52.99. And then we've got our Scott's Easy Seed Sun and Shade Repair Seed, Mulch, and Fertilizer in a 25-pound bag. They're asking $57.99. Right next to that, we got a 15-pound bag of Scott's Turf Builder Sun and Shade Grass Seed for $46.99. And then we have another lawn treatment of Scott's Turf Builder, a crabgrass preventer and lawn food for $58.99. They do carry 2 types of liquid weed killer. The first one is a ground clear. It kills weeds and grass. It'll kill everything. This one's by Ortho. You get 2 1-gallon bottles for $29.99. The next one's actually a lawn weed killer. You get 2 1-gallon jugs of Ortho weed killer. It's going to kill everything except for the lawn itself, and they're looking at $22.99 for this. Now, as far as fertilizers go, it has a 10-pound bag of earthworm castings by Impact Organics for $10.99. And we've got the Miracle Grow Shake and Feed 8-pound jug of all-purpose fertilizer for $20.99. A 12.5-pound box of all-purpose plant food by Miracle Grow for $21.49. And our last weed preventer by Lebanon Preen. It's a 22-pound box for $31.99. Now this next one I've used before. It's the Bondi RepelsAll animal repellent. It's a 6-pound bag for $19.99. This one I'm actually thinking about getting because of the way they've devastated the sumac in the front yard as well as attacking our elderberries. And continuing on with our pest repellent and care, we do have Grub X by Scotts. It's a season-long grub killer covering 10,000 square feet and costs $42.99. They got this nice looking Fiskars 15-inch lopper and garden shear set for $24.99. For another one of those surprising finds, we have this Cedar Craft self-watering spruce planter. That's 21 inches by 47 inches by 32 inches for $139.99. Now they got a couple different garden hoses. They have this Flexon Flextreme contractor grade hose. It's 100 foot. We've got this one at home right now. They're asking $44.99 for it and it works great. And right next to it we got the Rapid Flow 100 foot contractor grade hose for $27.99. Now we got a couple different types of work gloves. We've got the Hydra Hide leather work gloves. It's a 3-pack of heavy-duty goat skinned leather gloves for $24.99. Then they've got the Boss antimicrobial work gloves. It's a 10-pack for $9.99. They've got blue for women and black for men. Now there's a couple different choices for potting mix. We have our Organic Choice by Miracle Grow. It's a 50-quart bag of potting mix. It does contain compost and peat, and it is $9.99 a bag. And then right next to it we have the Miracle Grow Organic Choice in-ground and raised bed soil. This 50-quart bag costs $8.99. Now we are moving on to our final area of garage and home equipment, and starting off with our reversible foam flooring. It is a 6-pack covering 24 square feet of 20 millimeter thick flooring. It is $27.99. And staying in the garage, we are looking at this industrial rack. It is a 4-shelf system that impressively can hold 2,000 pounds per shelf at $239.99. Now for those that don't have a handcart at home, I do have to say they are very beneficial. We have a smaller one that's very handy when moving large pots around. They offer this one. It's a 3-in-1 convertible handcart for $100. And if you're looking for a workbench you like to put in, they've got this Whalen 72-inch rolling workbench with a back pegboard. It's $499.99. Comes with 2 larger drawers on the outside and 3 smaller ones in the inside for tools. It's got 2 plugs and 3 USB ports. Now ladders like this I find incredibly beneficial. We have one that we use pretty regularly. This one's the Little Giant brand. It's a 15-foot to 17-foot reach for $189.99. Now with all the cooking that I've been doing and showing you on this channel, one of the things I find beneficial is a digital scale for the kitchen. They offer one for $17.99. It is a tailored digital waterproof kitchen scale. Next, I've only briefly touched on this, and there will be an upcoming video, but the Innova Sous Vide Precision Cooker Kit, they have an entire kit where it comes with a container in which to cook everything into. I just use a pot at home, but I have a very similar system to this at home, and this one is $159.99 on sale, $40 off the price. And to go along with the sous vide, we've got the Food Saver. This vacuum sealing system is $149.99 with all the bags next to it. This is great for using with the sous vide because you have to vacuum seal or take all the air out to make sure it works properly. It's also great for storing food for the long term with the variety pack of bags for $40. Costco carries everything, and I can't miss this opportunity to say they have everything including the kitchen sink. The all-in-one sink combination for $349.99. It comes with the sink, faucet, all the accessories, and a drain. Costco offers a variety of different types of lighting, both indoor and outdoor, and this garage light is one of the more interesting ones just because it really changes the dynamic of the garage. It just screws directly into your regular light fixture and brightens everything up, and it offers a 2-pack for $39.99. Next one I thought was very unique is this Arctica skylight. It's $39.99 for a 1 foot by 4 foot flat paneled LED light. It is set up so it mimics a skylight for the light coming in. It's 3,700 lumens. It is dimmable and offers 5,000 hours of runtime. One of the next things that jumped out at us was this flooring. It's a laminate flooring. It's waterproof. It's by Mohawk Home. It is scratch resistant, waterproof, stain resistant. It's supposed to be easy to install. One package is 18.14 square feet. It contains 9 planks. Regularly priced at $36.99, but $8 off, so it's $28.99 per package. This seems like a pretty good deal, and we're thinking about adding some sort of flooring to our seed room, and this might be a viable option. Next up is this Porter Cable 6-piece drill kit for $229.99, which contains battery, an impact driver, an oscillating tool, a regular drill, reciprocating saw, and a 5.5-inch circular saw, as well as a pivoting flashlight. One of the last areas we're going to hit on is fire safety. We've got our 2-in-1 smoke and carbon monoxide detector for $54.99 by First Light. We did pick one of these up earlier in the year. Then we have our First Alert Easy Fire Spray. It is a 2-pack for $19.99. And lastly, the First Alert Heavy Duty Fire Extinguisher for $36.99. No trip to Costco with the boys is complete without stopping and getting a quick lunch of hot dogs and ice cream. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope this motivated you just the same as it did us. There's a lot of stuff out there and it's getting us pretty excited about spring and getting outside and start doing some work. Now we did pick up some more work gloves and the fire extinguisher, but that's really it for this trip. But I don't know. We might be making a trip out there for some of that other stuff, some of that soil, especially that potting mix. Looks like it's a pretty reasonably priced. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you get motivated, get excited for spring. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.